Hi, my name is Nastya.
Hi, I'm Anay. Hi, I'm Ur. This is our film about Dramlje. This is our school. Its name is Primary School Dramlje. It's currently being renovated. It's 34 years old. There are 208 pupils in school when it's in a normal state.
The school's property is also the playground. We like to hang out there.
We are excited to go to our new school. The school needed new roof, new windows, new heating system, and a lot of other new stuff.
Next to the school, we have kindergarten, and it's being renovated too. We all went to this kindergarten.
This is our grocery store. It's a small store with food. Its name is Dramlje. We like to buy crisps, chocolate, and all kinds of candies here. It's the only store in Dramlje. That's why we like it so much.
It was renovated 3 years ago. Next to the store, we have a little pub, but we don't like to go there. The store is opposite the school, just across the road. Teachers are mad when we go to it. They don't like that. This is our fire station. Only volunteers work as firemen too. They don't have a lot of work because here in Dramlje, fires are very rare.
This is also our bus station, now when our school is being renovated. Above the fire station, there's a hairdresser's room. And next to hairdresser's room, we have headmistress office, staff room, secretary's office, and 2 classrooms. This is the closest church to the school. It's not the only one in Dramlje. There are 5 churches, including this one. The name of this church is the Church of Marie Magdalene.
It's the main church in Dramlje. It's 250 years old. It was renovated several times and it's in a pretty good shape, as you can see. A lot of people visit it daily, especially on Sundays. People here are very religious, especially old ones. This is one of 2 small cafes here in Dramlje. People here are really friendly and they have great lollipops. These are the houses where the 1st, 6th, 7th and 9th grade are for now.
This is our parish. It belongs to our priest, and inside is our classroom. This is our temporary classroom and it's only us inside. The teachers come and go. It's quiet and cool, that's why we like it so much.
Hi. While we were here, we found goats behind the house. We named 2 of them Michael and George. We also found this plum tree and we like to take plums sometimes. Well, every day.
We're on a hill called Ursula. This is Church of Saint Ursula. One day in the autumn there are stands here in front of the church. When we're here, we usually meet a lot of our classmates. We like to buy all kinds of stuff, talk and eat fried pumpkin seeds.
is a cottage at the top of Ursula, where a lot of hikers come during the weekend. They can get something to eat and drink, especially drink. That's all, folks.
Hope you like our video.
See you in Dramlje.
Bye!
Bye!